Google Scholar allows you to search for scholarly articles related to any topic. To get started, visit scholar.google.com and search for any key terms. Once you hit enter, you will see the results related to the topic. Each result shows the beginning of the title, the date, and some information about the article. Before viewing the results, you may need to filter by date. For some topics, like educational theories or historical information, older articles are acceptable. However, for other topics, like educational technology, older articles will include information that is out of date. The field of educational technology is fast-paced. Since new tools and information is developed pretty often, new articles on this topic would be better. I typically select since 2016 for articles related to educational technology. You can also choose to sort results by relevance, meaning the results with the most citations will be displayed first, or by date, meaning the newest published articles will be displayed first. As you are reviewing the results and looking for an article, pay attention to the links on the right-hand side of the page. Articles that have a link in this column are free and easy for you to access by clicking on this link. You can hold the Control or Command key and click the link to open and read the article in a new tab. Articles that do not have a link here will direct you to the website or journal in which the article is housed. Usually, you have to log in and pay to view the article. Sometimes you can use the Nichols database to read these articles since the institution gives you access to tons of academic journals as a student. When searching on Google Scholar, I typically skip these articles. Once you find an article that relates to your topic, you can click on the quotation marks to find the citation of that article. Here, you will find the MLA and APA citation of the article. If you are writing for an English class, you will likely need the MLA citation format. If you are writing something for an education class or other purposes related to education, you will use the APA formatting. Click the citation to copy it. You should always double-check this information against the current citation guidelines. Sometimes what is provided here by Google does not necessarily follow the current guidelines. Your professor can provide you with more information about the citation requirements for their assignment. If you need to save an article for later, you can download it from Google by clicking the download button. You can also copy the URL of the article and paste it in a Google Doc to come back to later. I typically do this and paste the citation so that I have the information for later when I am ready to work in my document. If you need to include several sources in a paper, you can use this document to keep track of the articles and the citation for each article. When you are ready to work, you can open this document to locate the correct citations and to quickly access the articles you need to review in order to work on your paper.